And all the kids, please put your videos on. So
yeah, so let's start the class with Megan and Subhavi. I'm sharing screen. Photo. Yeah. So I kindly request all the participants, all the kids, just turn your video on. So you will be able to connect with me and I will also able to connect with you. So let's start with Gyanan and Swabhavim. I urge you to join your hands and you can recite with me. Unmute yourself and you can recite with me. मैं ज्ञानानंद स्वभावी मैं हूँ अपने में स्वयं पूर्ण पर भी मुझ में कुछ गंध नहीं मैं अर्श अस्पर्शी पर से कुछ भी संबंध नहीं मैं रंग राग से भिन्न दीदी मैं भिन्न निराला मैं हूँ अखंड चैतन्य पे निज रस में रमने वाला मैं ही मेरा करता करता मुझ में पर का कुछ काम नहीं मैं मुझ में रहने वाला हूँ पर में मेरा विश्राम नहीं मैं शुद्ध बुद्ध अविरुद्ध पर परिणति से अप्रभावी हूँ आत्मानुभूति से प्राप्त तत्व में ज्ञानानंद स्वभावी हूँ. Great. So this poem is so great that the poem tells us who we are. So we are Gyan and Anand. Gyan means knowledge and Anand means happiness. So if somebody asks you who you are, so we generally speak that I am Pearl, I am Advik, I am Ashi, I am Aran, I am Aditi, I am Arav, I am Hina, I am Janav, I am Ashi, I am Adi, I am Silpa, I am Vinci, I am Soham, I am Jimit. But actually, this we are not. Who we are? We are the knowledge. So we are full made up of knowledge. So we are knowledge and happiness. Okay. So this poem is great. We will take the meaning in some other classes. But let's continue with our main chapter, Teen Lok, Three Lok, Three Lokas. So in Three Lokas, we already know regarding the Hadolokas, the hell world, the lower part of the world. Now we are going with the middle part of the world, which is known as Madhya Loka. So we are in the Madhya Loka. In Madhya Loka, we already learned regarding many things. Okay, okay, what is the height of the Madhya Loka? Ashi, what is the height of the Madhya Loka? Do you remember?
I think it was 140 ocean.
Great, correct. So the height is 140 ocean, and in the center we have a mountain. Which mountain? Aran, do you remember? Which mountain is in the center?
Sudarshan Meru.
Correct, Sudarshan. And the whole Madhyam Loka is made up of two things. Which are they? Advait, do you know? Islands and seas. Okay. So we have island, then we have sea. So in which island we are living? Jana, do you know in which island we are living? The name of the island?
Jambu Dweep.
Correct. We are living in Jambu Dweep. So Adi, do you know why Jambu Dweep is said Jambu Dweep? Aaron, you can switch on your camera. Okay. I know you are not in some of classes, so I will not ask that question. So there is no afraid of not giving the answer. Adi, so why Jambu Dweep is known as Jambu Dweep?
Jambu Dweep is known as Jambu Dweep because there's a special tray on the island, and likewise on all of the other islands, there's like a special tray, and from that tray, there's the name of the island has been made.
Right. So in the same manner, the island name is given based on the tree, and the ocean's name, the sea's names are given on the taste of the water. Okay. So we have Lavan Samudra. So Lavan means salt. It is salty water. So we name it as Lavan Samudra. Then we move to the forward. All the ocean names are based on the taste of the water, and the islands are mainly based on the tree. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. So now today we are going to do geography. What kind of geography? So in school days, or you are in the school days, so you are using your maps. In maps, you are locating where is the river. For example, when I was student in the school, they ask us for example, we have the map of India. They ask us where is Gujarat, where is Madhya Pradesh, which river Narmada is flowing from which state, where it goes, which mountains are there, which centuries are there. In the same manner, currently we are living in Jammu Dweep. As you know, on you all have world maps, and in world maps you are locating India, USA, and Canada, and everything. Likewise, we are doing this thing, geography game, in Jammu Dweep. So now I'm sharing you the Jammu Dweep map, and in the Jammu Dweep map, we are seeing where are the areas, where are the mountains, where are the lakes, and where are the rivers. Okay, so let me share, and we will understand. So basically, you can see Jammu Dweep in my documents or in my photo which I am sharing. So you can draw afterwards. There is no need to draw. If you are fast enough, you can draw with me, like big drawings. Okay. But if you are not comfortable while earning and while doing drawing also, so you can do afterwards. Okay. So currently, I think you should focus on understanding the Jammu Dweep map rather than drawing it. So first of all, understand it. After that, I think the coordinators will share the map of this. Okay. Okay. Let me share the Jammu Dweep. So it will be good. Screenshots. Okay. Right. So can you see Jammu Dweep map? Right? Can you confirm?
This is
Yes.
Jambu Dweep. This is
Okay, great. So this is the map of Jambu Dweep. In Jambu Dweep, we are living. But where we are living? So you know, we are living in Bharat Kshetra. But where is Bharat Kshetra? So we will understand one by one. Okay. So first of all, we are going to look on the area. Okay. So we are not going to recite the sutras now. First of all, we are going to understand the map. After that, we are going to recite the sutras. First of all, let's learn this. So first of all, we have 7 areas in Jammu Dweep. We have famous 7 areas. In which are they? Let's understand one by one. So from downer, we are going to upper. So in the downer side, okay. This is not like heavens or hells that the last one is down, then we have upper six, fifth, four, three, two, one. No, the whole earth or the whole Jambu Dweep is in the flat. Okay, so they are all the areas are in the flat space. So we have to understand that currently I am India is in the downside. When we move upper side, so we have Pakistan. When we move more upward, so we have Russia and everything on the upper side. If you have seen the world map kind of map, so in the same manner, you have to understand this is the flat map. Okay, so in the downer section, or we can say in the south side, okay, in the south direction. So in the south, we have Bharat Kshetra. First Kshetra is Bharat Kshetra. As we move forward, the second Kshetra will be Hemvat Kshetra. You can see the name. All the light skin color, Hemvat Kshetra is whole area is Hemvat. Okay, I have maybe another option. No, not you. Good. No issue. Okay, just wait a minute. I I think I will use the annotate button, so it will be very helpful for all of you. Okay. So it's not working. Nice. So let me share only the main picture because I'm not able to use the annotate here. So I will only share the photos. Okay. On base of that only you have to try to understand. Okay. And if you feel uncomfortable, so you can definitely ask me. Yeah, I'm not understanding this part. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Who wants to ask the question? Yes. Adi, you're raising your hands. Right. Sorry for disturbance. Yeah, now it's with you. Okay, let's go with areas. So the first area is Bharat Kshetra. The downer, the south side we have Bharat Kshetra. There are seven areas. So the downer area is Bharat Kshetra. The green part. Okay, the whole green part you are saying is the Bharat Kshetra. After that, we are moving to the skin color, light skin color, which is Hemvat Kshetra. You can see Hemvat Kshetra here. This all area is Hemvat, the light screen. After that, while moving up from north side to the north direction, we have Hari Kshetra, Hari area. So this all skin color is Hari area. Now we are moving forward. So in the center, we have Videhi Kshetra. I think you all have heard this name very well, Videhi Kshetra. So in the center, we have Videhi Kshetra. Whole this green and yellow thing, it's all about Videhi Kshetra. As we move forward, we have Ramya Kshetra. As we go to the north direction, we have Aranyavat Kshetra. This all skin color is Aranyavat Kshetra. And finally, on the top of the north, we have Airavat Kshetra. Which Kshetra? Airavat Kshetra. Okay, the green one. So basically, we have seven Kshetras. As you can see, Bharat, Hemvat, Hari, Vide, Ramya, Aranyavat, and Airavat. Yash, do you have any query?
Can you please repeat from Vamya Kshetra?
Ramyak, yeah. So this skin color area is Ramyak shade. Yeah, this is Ramyak. Okay, I think you can see. Yeah. Uh, and as we move to the north direction, we have Aranyavrat Kshetra, Aranyavrat area at the upper or at the north direction. And on the top of the north direction in Jammu Dweep, we have Eravat Kshetra. Okay. So these are the seven areas that we locate or situated in our Jammu Dweep map. Okay. So in Jambudvip map, if someone asks how many areas are there, for example, if someone asks in the world how many countries are there, how many continents are there, how many continents are there in the world map? Any one of you can give the answer by unmuting yourself.
Seven.
Seven.
Okay, so in the same manner, we have Jambudvip and we have seven kshetras, seven big kshetras. So it's kind of big continents. Okay, so we have seven, and now you are comfortable with names. And there is no fast to learn this name. If you can, it's good. And if you can't, try to remember by yourself after the class finish. Okay. Yeah, Aaron, what do you want to say?
What is the millage khand?
We are going to understand. Okay. Just wait. We are going to understand everything. So I'm going one by one. So after I taught you everything, you can ask me. Now we are moving one by one. So let's go forward. So now you all are comfortable with the seven areas, right? If anyone is not comfortable with the seven areas, you can ask me. And if you are comfortable, we are moving to the mountains. Okay. So basically, in Jammu Dweep, we have six big mountains. Yeah.
Can you please repeat the names of the seven kshetras?
Yeah, why not? Sure. The first is Bharat Kshetra. Okay. So there is everything in the PPTs, but yeah, let's me repeat it. The first is Bharat Kshetra. Okay, let me repeat. The PPT. So it will be helpful for you to learn the names very easily. So I want to share the PPT. So it will be helpful for you to remember the names fastly. Okay. Okay, so let's go with that sutra only because we want to learn this name. So let's learn it. Okay, so this is the sutra where we have 7 areas. First is Bharat, second is Hemvat, third is Hari, fourth is Videhe, fifth is Ramya, sixth is Aranyavat Varsh, and seventh is Eravat Varsh. Okay, you can speak Varsh to all of this, but you can limit the Varsh area. So you can just speak Aranyavat and you can also speak like Eravat. There is no need to add words to all of this. Okay, it's not needed here. So you can just speak Bharat, Hemvat, Hari, Vide, Ramyak, Aranyavat, and Heravat. Heravat. Okay? These are the 7 areas. Now, if anyone have query regarding these 7 areas, you can ask me. Or if you're not, then we will going to move forward to next sutras. Okay. Now let's go to learn the mountains. So in Jambudvip, Aran, Asi, Adi, we have 6 big mountains. How many? Advik, Aran, Hinaji, Jano, we have 6 mountains. Which are they? Well, let's see in the geography or the map of the Jambudvip. Okay, let's see there. Okay, so the first one is Himvanpar. The first one is Himvanpar. This brown shape. Okay, the Himvanpar. The next is Mahahimvan. It's very simple. First, you have to speak Himvan, and after that, you have to add just Maha. So Himvan Parvat, Himvan mountains, and then we have Mahahimvan. After that, we have Nishad mountains. After that, we have Neel mountain. After that, we have Rukmi mountain, and in the north direction, the topmost north of the Jambudvip, we have Sikhri mountains. Okay, these are the main 6 mountains which are located in the Jambudvip. Okay, there are lots of mountains are there in the Jambudvip, but we are talking about the big mountains. Okay, so big mountains are only 6. The main mountains: Himvan, Mahahimvan, Nishadya, Neel, Rukmi, and Sikri. Okay, these 6 are the main mountains which divide which divide this whole Jambudvip in 7 sections. Okay, why we are using these mountains? Because it helps us to divide the area. Okay, the work of the Himvan mountains is to divide Bharat Kshetra in one part and Hemvat into another part. Now we have Mahahimvan mountains. The Mahahimvan will divide one area in 2 parts. The downer part will be known as Hemvat Kshetra, Hemvat area, and the upper part will be known as Hari area. Okay. After that, we have Nishadya Parvat. So the Nishadya mountain will going to help to divide this area in 2 parts. The Hari area and the upper part will be known as Videhi. Okay. After that, in the upper section, we have Nishadya Parvat. Nishadya Parvat is in the down, and on moving to the north section, we have Neel Parvat, Neel Mountains. So the Neel Mountains will help to distribute the area in 2 areas. One downer section will be known as Videhe, and the upper will be known as Ramya. Okay. Moving north direction, we have Rukmi Mountains. It will also help us to divide the area in 2 parts. The first will be Aranyavat in the top, in the upper part, and downer part will be known as Ramya. And finally, we have Sikri Mountains, which will help us to divide the area in few more parts. Upper is Eravat, and the last one is downer one is Aranya. Okay, so basically, the main work of the 6 big mountains is to divide the part. Okay, for example, in India we have Himalayas. So Himalayas range is what doing? It is dividing the area. We have Aravalli Mountains. It is dividing. We have Mount Everest. So this mountains help us to make a boundaries. Okay. So in the same manner, these mountains are helping us to make a boundary for area. So basically we have 6, and the name is very easy: Himvan, Mahahimvan, Nishadya, Neet, Rukmi, and Sikri. And this 6 mountain is dividing the whole area into 7 parts. And the 7 parts is Bharat, Himvat, Hari, Vide, Ramya, Aranyavat, and Hera. Okay. So, are you comfortable with these 6 mountains?
Can you just repeat the names of 6 mountains, please? I got till Neel. It's moving very quickly.
Yeah, so let me slow down my pace. Okay, so basically we have 6 mountains, 6 big mountains, and we will understand by the sutra. So I will be able to complete the sutra also as well. So let's go with sutras. Okay, so we are on 11th sutra, and the 11th sutra says us we have 6 mountains, and the name are Himvan, Mahahimvan, Nishadya, Neel, Rukmi, and Sikhar. Okay, you can see the name here also. So I have already shared the PPTs. So I think if you are comfortable, you can have PPTs in another phone or in another device, so you can see from there. So it will be helpful for you to write these names. Okay. Let's move forward. If anyone have any query regarding the names or other than names, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, where it is situated, where it is located. If not, let's move forward. So now in the next sutra, we are going to understand the color of the mountains. What? The color of the mountains. So we have basically 6 mountains. So what is the color? So mainly they have 2 colors. Okay, main 2 colors are golden and silver. Okay, so which are they? The first will be gold color. You have seen the gold, right? Gold have golden color. It's silver. We have silver color, right? Kind of gray silver color. So it's, first one is like sona. So sona means gold color. Second will be like silver color. Third means papaya hua sona. Okay. So let me take you with this mountains table. It will be very helpful for you to understand by the thing. Yeah. So we have Himvan Parvat. So the color of the Himvan Parvat will is like sona, like gold. Okay. After that we have Mahahimvan. The color will be of like silver. Next we have Nishadya. So the color will be like of sona, gold. But which gold? Not just simple gold. The gold which is heated. Okay, the heated gold. So the color of the preheated gold and the heated gold is different. Okay. So there is so much detailing here. So we have to understand the gold color and the heated gold is different. So the Nishadya Parvat color is kind of heated gold. Okay. And then we have Neel Parvats. So Neel Parvats are kind of like Vedurian Neel money. So what is Vedurian money? It is kind of a diamond. Okay. So and the color will be like of Neel. So we can take like bluish or violetish color of Neel. Then we have Rukmi, which color is like of silver. And finally, we have Sikhri. So the color will be like of gold color. Okay. So these are the main 6 mountains. Okay. Are you comfortable with the colors? Okay, it is very easy. First say gold, then say silver, then say gold, then say Veduriaman. Veduriaman is the name of the diamond kind. Veduriaman. Then we have silver, then we have gold. So who will share the name of the colors? Okay, I am going to ask. Okay, Aaron, you can say.
So the Himavan mountain is gold, the Mahahimavan is silver, the Nishadya is heated gold, Neela is violet diamond color, Rukim is silver color, and Shikri is gold color.
Great. Let's have a applause for Aaron for presenting so well. Great. So all of you are comfortable with this? Hinaji, you get it? The color? Yeah, great. Arav, are you with us or not? Arav, turn your mic. Turn your mic on. I want to ask you something. Okay, his mic is not working. Maybe. Okay, let's move forward. Ashi, how many mountains are there?
6.
Great. Do you know the names?
Yeah. Himanvat, Mahanishadya, Nil, Rukvi, and Sikri mountain.
Okay, so Jano Gosali is telling to me, sir, I am not understanding the Hindi language. So basically, it is kind of names. So I can't translate this names into English names. Just remember that my name is Paul. The name is Adi. The name is Aaron. The similar manner, these six names are in the name terminology. But it is not the name you have to understand. It is kind of name given. Okay, so it is terminology. So there is no need to understand the word, what is the meaning of Himvan. Just understand the name of the mountain is Himvan. For example, the mountain is known as Mount Everest. Then the mountain is known as Aravali Mountain. In the same manner, these mountains have certain names like Himvan, Mahahimvan, and so on. Okay. Okay. So let's move forward. Jana, are you comfortable? Should we move forward?
I don't know how to read Hindi, so I don't know the actual names of the mountains.
Okay. But you can understand like this name. Like for you can speak Aravali the mountains, you can speak Mount Everest, right or not?
Yeah. Yes, but I don't know what the names, the spellings are because I can't read Hindi.
Yeah,
That's why.
okay, I got it. You want this spelling in English, right?
Please.
Yeah.
I'll do that
Inaji?
for you and send it to you.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Okay? So your name is Arav, am I right?
Janav.
Janav. Okay, I'll send it to you. I'll write it in English and send it to you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Great. Okay. So I will also try from next time if I'm using PPTs, for example. So I will try to translate this name in English, okay, in English word. So it will be very easy for you to pronounce it and learn it. So I think maybe you are able to read Hindi. Well, kind of not all Hindi, but names, but no name. We will do from next session. I will try if I get chance. Okay, let's move forward. Okay. Okay, so you can see the names of the mountains. Okay, Jana, are you able to understand? Okay, you can't learn the name, but can you understand where it is situated? Right?
Yeah.
You are not. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So that's the thing I want to try to understand you, or try to explain you. Sorry. Let's move forward. So now you all are comfortable with the names of the area, the 7 areas and the 6 mountains. Now we are going to understand the lakes. Okay, we are going to understand where the lakes are situated. So basically, we have 6 lakes. Okay, we have 6 lakes, and we are going to understand the names of the lakes one by one. So let's go with the names of the mountains. First, we have Himvan Mountains. So in Himvan Mountains, there is a lake. Okay, the name of the lake is Padma. Okay, so let's understand the Padma name. Okay, the Padma name. Himvan, in the mountain of Himvan, we have lake. Name of the lake is Padma. Okay, when we go to the Mahahimvan mountains, we have second lake, another lake. The name of the lake is Mahapadma, which is situated in the center part of the mountains. Okay, moving forward, we have Tigich Lake. Okay, moving forward to the Neel Mountains, we have Kesari Lake. Okay, moving forward to the Rukmi Mountains, we have Mahapundrik Lake. I know the names are so much uncomfortable for you to pronounce it, but yeah, the names are quite different. So you have to try to understand it. There is no need to learn it because on the spot you are not going to learn it. But after some time, by doing the practicing, you are going to learn it. So currently, try to understand where is situated the lake. Okay, the lake is where is it is situated. After the class, try to learn your names. Okay, by yourself. Otherwise, you can take the help of your mother, father, or your grandfather, mother, anyone. Okay, and finally we have Sikri Mountains. In the Sikri Mountains, we have Pundrik Lake. Okay, so basically, if I ask where is the Mahapadma Lake situated, you should have the photo that we have Mahahimvan Mountain. In the Mahahimvan Mountain, we have Mahapadma Lake. Okay, This in this type you should understand. Okay. So we have six mountains. In the six mountains, we have six lakes. Six lakes. But okay, in Himvan we have Padma. In Mahahimvan we have Mahapadma. In Nishadya we have Tigich. In Nil we have Kesari. In Rukmi we have Mahapundrik. In the Sikri mountains we have Pundrik. Okay. Let me share the PPTs, the documents of this, the table of this. It will be more comfortable for you to note it down. Let me share. Yeah. So I'm giving you some time to write this up, okay, for 2 to 3 minutes. So you are capable of writing this. Yeah. So this is the name of the mountains. First row. The second column shows us about the color. Third is the height of the mountain. Okay, the height of the mountains, and the fourth is the lake. Okay, the Sarovar means lakes. So you can write this. You can make the table in your books and you can note it down. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. You can do it. Okay. Okay. So are we done here? Okay. Yeah, Ashi, you can.
For the height, like what unit was it in?
Yojan.
Okay.
Okay. You know, na, 1 yojan is 6,000 kilometers or maybe 8,000 miles around. Yeah. So the height, so basically we have to understand the height also. So for example, what is the height of Mount Everest? You are going to learn in your schools or everywhere. But what is the height of the human mountain? So we have 100 yojan. 1 yojan equals to 6,000 kilometers. Okay. So 6,000 into 100. So we have around 6 lakh. Okay. So around we are talking about 6 lakh kilometers. Okay. So 6 lakh kilometers is the height of the human mountains. Then we have Mahahimvan. So let's do it double. Okay. So it's kind of 12 lakh height. We have Nishadya mountains. The height will be 400 into 6,000. Okay. So kind of 24 lakh. Then we have Neel. It's kind of 24 lakh around approx. And we have Rukmi. The same. We have 12 lakhs. And Sikri, we have 6 lakh. Okay. Kilometers. The unit will be kilometers. And if we are talking about Yojan unit, so the unit will be Yojan, 100 Yojan, 200 Yojan, 400, 400, 200, 100, respectively, as per the names given in the mountains. Right. Anyone have any query regarding this 4 column? You can ask me. Any one of you. Advik, are you okay? Yes or no? Yeah, great. Ashi.
Could you repeat in lakh again?
Okay, so basically you have to do the multiplication of 6,000 into the number given. For example, 1 yojan equals to 6,000 kilometers. Okay, so 6,000 into 100. So add 2 zeros. Okay, when you do multiplication of 100, so just add 2 zeros to the 6,000. So while adding 2 zeros, we got with 6 lakh. So likewise, you can do. 6 lakh, 12 lakh, 6 for the 24 lakh, 24 lakh, 12 lakh, 6 lakh. Okay, you can write this. 6, 12, 24, 24, 12, 6. Okay, Ashi, can we move forward? Are you done? Great. Adi, Hinaji, is my pace is good, Hinaji? Or should I reduce the pace?
It's
Or
fine.
should I? Okay, great. Jana, are you comfortable with the height of the mountains? Do you get the height?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, yeah, more or less.
Okay, great. So I know it's kind of hard to pronounce the names in Hindi, yeah, because for us it is simple, but for you it's kind of hard. But I will try from the next session to translate these names in English, okay? So it will be easy for you. So let's move to forward. So we have understand where the areas, what are the areas, the names of the areas. We have already understand the names of the mountains. We have already understand the lakes. Now the task is to find the river. Okay, so the
Pandit ji,
river is very important thing because in river, the rivers are going to come out from these lakes. Okay, so we have 6 lakes. Advik, we have 6 lakes. So the each lake will be going to contribute us to know or to understand the name of the river. So the rivers are going to flow from the lakes. Okay, so let's understand this in the diagram.
Pandit ji, kids don't
Yeah.
use the unit of measurement of lakh in UK. So for all the kids,
Okay.
one
Thousands.
lakh, 1 lakh
Yeah.
is
Okay. I got it.
100,000.
100,000. Yeah.
So 12 lakh is 1.2 million. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. You are comfortable with millions, billions, and thousands. Sorry, my mistake. I'm talking about in English, like in India, we are talks about lakhs and crores. But I know foreign you are going to understand in thousands, in millions, in billions. Okay. So we have first one is 600,000. Second is 1.2 million. The third is 2.4 million. The fourth mountain is 2.4 million. Yeah. Who is this? Advik, what you are saying? Mm. Don't share or comment to anyone, okay? Not privately or not to everyone, okay? It's not good thing. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so I'm repeating the height again in thousands if you are not comfortable. So the first height will be in 600,000. The second height of the mountain will be 1.2 million. The third will be 2.4 million. Fourth is 2.4 million. Fifth is 1.2 million. And the sixth is 600,000. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, so let's understand now the rivers. So we have understand this name of the 6 lakes. The lakes are present in the mountains. Now we have different lakes. So one lake is going to contribute to the rivers. Okay, so let's understand. We have Padma Lake. From Padma Lake, it is the source of 3 big rivers. First is Ganga, second is Sindhu, and third is Rohitasya. Okay, you can see the name here. The first is Ganga River, second is Sindhu River, and third is Rohitasya River. Okay, don't confuse with the name of the rivers which are present currently. Okay, the name of Ganga and the Sindhu, which is given to the Indian rivers, are not this river. Okay, these are the quite big rivers. They are not like small rivers. This river is floating from all Bharat. Okay, we are living in India only, so it's not only the Ganga which is present in India. It's not only Ganga. Okay, So the name may be similar, but it is not representing the Ganga river which we are talking here. Okay, so we are talking about the big rivers. The name may be similar, but the river flow is quite different. Okay, so the area of the Ganga river which we are talking about, Jammu Dweep, is quite bigger than the Ganga Nadi, the Ganga river present in India. Okay, so they are different. So from Padma, we have three rivers which are going to come out. First is Ganga, second is Sindhu, and third is Rohitas. Okay, let's move to the north direction. In Mahahimban, we have Mahapadma Lake. From Mahapadma Lake, we are going to have two rivers. The first in the south side, we have Rohit Nadi, and on the upper side, we have Harikanta. Okay, okay. Now, from moving forward, we have Nishadya Mountains. In Nishadya Mountains, we have Tingich Lake, and from Tingich Lake, two rivers are going to come. First is Harit, and in the north direction, there will be a flow of Sitoda. Okay, Sitoda. Moving to the Neel Mountain, we have Keshari Lake, and from Keshari Lake, two more rivers are going to come out. First, down in the south side, we have Sita, and in upper direction, we have Narkanta. Moving to the Rukmi Mountains, we have Mahapundrik. Mahapundrik Lake contributes to two more rivers. First is the Nari River, and in the north direction, we have Ruppekula River. Moving to the Sikri Mountains, we have one more lake. The name of the lake, as we know, Pundrik Lake, and the Pundrik Lake contributes two to three rivers. In the south direction, it contributes to the Swanpula, and in the in the north direction, two rivers are going to come out from it, Raktoda and Rakta. Okay, Rakta and Raktoda, these two rivers are going to come from Pundrik Lake. Okay, now I am giving the time, okay, to all of you to write this down, the names of the river. But let's write this name of the river from the documents. Yeah, Adi, do you have any query? Go ahead, raise your hands.
You know the river, like the one right at the top. Doesn't that it looks like it leads out to somewhere else, but where does that lead to?
Okay, so basically I said you that this river are basically after we have in the outer direction, these are in the flat form. Okay, so it is in the flat form. So you are thinking that it's coming to the downside. It's not flowing downside. Okay, it is merely coming in the flat direction. But the picture is kind of this. This image is in the 3D form. So you will be able to catch this up. And in the outer direction, okay, after Jammu Dweep, we have Lavan Samudra. Okay, so it will be going to merge in the Lavan Samudra. Okay, we have Jammu Dweep, and in the after Jammu Dweep, we have Lavan Samudra. So the outer part, the river which are going out of the Jammu Dweep, is going to connect in the Lavan Samudra. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Let me share the PPT so you all will be comfortable to write the names who know how to write in Hindi. Okay, to more specify. And if you are not, so I'm pronouncing the name, you can write in English, okay? Because I'm naming the name, I'm giving the names of the rivers. You can write in your books. Okay, here are the names. Okay, you have already mentioned the names of the mountains, right? And you already have the names of the lakes on. So let's mention by lake-wise lake. Okay, so let's go with Ganga, Sindhu. I'm repeating the name. You can write in your notebooks. If you're comfortable in English, just understand my pronunciation and write in the English language. The first is Ganga. Second is Sindhu. The third is Rohit. The fourth is Rohitasya. I'm repeating again. First is Ganga. Second is Sindhu. third is Rohit, fourth is Rohitasya, fifth is Hari, fifth is Harit, sixth is Harikanta, fifth is Harit, sixth is Harikanta, seventh is Sita, eighth is Sitoda, seventh is Sita, eighth is Sitoda, ninth is Nari, ninth is Nari, tenth is Narkanta, ninth is Nari, tenth is Narkanta, 11th is Suvarnakula, 11th is Suvarnakala, Suvarnakula, Suvarnakula, 12th is Rupyakula, 12th is Rupyakula, 8th is Rakta, 13th is Rakta, and 14th is Raktoda. Okay, so we have 14 big rivers. I'm repeating again: Ganga, Sindhu, Rohit, Rohitasya, Harit, Harikanta, Sita, Sitoda, Nari, Narkanta, Suvarnakula, Rupyakula, Rakta, Raktoda. So this 14 big rivers are floating out from different 6 big lakes. Yeah, Ash.
Can you go a bit slower?
Right. So the first is Ganga, second is Sindhu, third is Rohit, fourth is Rohitasya, fifth is Hari, sixth is Harikanta, seventh is Sita, eighth is Sitoda, ninth is Nari, 10th is Narkanta, 11th is Suvarnakula, 12th is Rupyakula, 13th is Rakta, and 14th is Raktoda. Okay. So are you comfortable with 14 rivers, 7 areas, 6 big mountains in 6 lakes in the Jammu Map geography?
Did you say 14 lakes?
14 rivers, 6
Sorry,
lakes.
14 rivers. Yeah. From the
Yeah.
7 mountains. Is it from the 7 mountains?
It is from 6 lakes, and we can understand like in 7 there is 6 mountains. Okay, the 7 areas are 7. Okay, mountains are 6, lakes are 6, and rivers are 14.
14, okay.
Okay, in the last class we have understood, right? In the Jammu Map, what is present? We have understood 4 things: area, mountains, lakes, and rivers. Okay, so let me ask to Jana, how many mountains are there?
6,
Great. How many rivers are there?
14.
Correct. How many areas are there?
Is it 4? Or is it
No,
6?
area. How many continents are there?
7?
Yeah, the same. So there is 7 areas. Okay. And finally, how many lakes are there?
6.
Great. Okay. But you have to understand this geography only. Okay. So this things is talked about in the Jammu Map geography. Now let's move to the question which was asked by Arav, right? Where is Arav? Who asked regarding this question, Bhog Bhumi and Karam Bhumi? That was Arav or Adi? Okay, Arav. Okay.
I asked about that Milage Khud. Milage Khud.
Give me a minute. Yeah.
There's the map.
Yeah. Just give me a minute because I just have to cancel my another class because it's already 9:23. So we are waiting for 23 minutes. So I just will cancel the next class. So give me a minute. So we'll continue with this class. Okay. So it is very complicated thing. When you teach, you don't know what is the time. Okay, so I just forgot that it is already 9:23. I have to complete to 9:15. So today we are going to take 9:30 time. Okay, because I cancel my next class. So today we are going to understand whole Jambu Dweep. So from next class we can move forward. Okay. Okay. So all of you are comfortable to mapping these four things in the map. If somebody gives you this map, you can map this out that this is here, this is here, this is here, this is here, right? So let's move forward and let's understand the three main things. What three main areas? That we have understand seven areas, and in the seven areas, three most popular areas are Bharat Kshetra, Videsh Kshetra, and Eravat Kshetra. These areas are famous. Do you know why this area are famous? From seven areas, these three areas are most famous. Any one of you? Do you know? Yeah, Jana, go.
Is it where Sid Siddha Bhagwans have mokshed or have gone?
Okay, so yeah, you are correct, but not fully. These three areas give you chance to go moksha from there. So if you want to go to salvation, if you want to attain salvation, you can only attain salvation if you are present in these three areas. Okay, so those people who are present in other than these three areas will are not able to go to the moksha, not able to go to salvation. Okay, and we are talking about humans. Okay, because humans can only go to salvation, not other. But the complicated things remains now. Okay, we have understood Bharat Kshetra. So in Bharat Kshetra, we have rivers. Okay, let me share the photo of this. Okay, and after that you can ask me your questions. But first of all, let's understand this, and after that you can ask your questions. Okay. Yeah, now everyone focus here because this is an important part. You should understand this. If anyone wants to go to attain salvation, he have to become human, okay? And if he is human, he can only go to salvation and only attain salvation if he is present in Bharat Kshetra, Videhi Kshetra, yellow path, and finally the upper greener path, the Eravat. But the complicated thing is here that when we have two river, Ganga and Sindhu, which is passing down from Bharat Kshetra, so the Bharat Kshetra is divided into six parts. Okay, for example, we are in Asia. Okay, Malab, I am in Asia, not you. So if I am in Asia there are lots of countries are there. In the same manner, the Bharat area is divided in six parts. Okay, and why it is divided in six parts? Because we have one mountain, the smaller range of mountain, which is known as Vijayar Parvat. Okay, the smaller range of the mountain, which is known as Vijayar Parvat, which divide the whole area of Bharat into two parts, upper part and the downer part. And the river, Ganga and Sindhu river, divide these two parts into three areas. Okay, so you can see this river is passing. So it divided the part in three areas: Malech Khand, Malech Khand, Malech Khand. Three big Malech Khandas. Okay, and this river also make the downer section in three khandas. The downer Malech Khand, the center is Bharat Kshetra Arya Khand, and the this side, left hand side, we have Malech Khand again. Okay. So what is the Malech Khand and what is Arya? So basically, Malech Khand is the area where religion does not exist. Okay. So religion does not exist there. No one can understand or experience their soul. Okay. So Arya Khand is the only place where you can experience yourself, your soul. You can understand soul. You can follow the religion. But other than Arya Khand, all the Malay Khand, so there is absence of religion. Humans are there, okay? Humans are there, animals are there, everything is there, but there is an absence of religion. There is an absence of understanding your soul. So currently I am taking your class. So when I am taking your class, so we are living in Bharat Kshetra, and in Bharat Kshetra, precisely we are living in Arya Khanda because we can do religion, we can understand our soul, we can understand our soul, we can experience our soul. So if anyone wants to attain salvation, so he or she have to take birth, has to take birth, Where? In Bharat Kshetra, Aryakhand. Okay. So it is not only Bharat Kshetra. In Bharat Kshetra, specifically you have to birth in Aryakhand. Okay. If you are born in Malish Khand, so you are not going to get any religion. You are not going to understand your. Okay. So it is very important to take the born or take the birth in Aryakhand. So in the similar manner, upper part, the Airavat Kshetra is also divided into two parts. In the same manner, the upper part of the Airavat Kshetra is divided into two parts with the help of small mountain, which is known as Vijayad Parvat, Vijayad mountain. It divides the whole area of Airavat area into two parts, and with the help of two rivers, the famous two rivers, Rakta and Raktoda, this part is divided into three sections: Malech, 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 and the center is Arish. Okay. So this Arya Kshetra is the area from where you can understand your soul, experience your soul, and go to moksha, salvation. Okay. And finally, let's go to the Videsh Kshetra. In Videsh Kshetra, we have 32 areas. How many areas? 32. Now the question arises. So, how these 32 areas are made? So, same answer, with the help of Vijayad Parvat and with the help of river Sito and Sitoda, the area are distributed in 32 parts. Okay, and these 32 parts are there, and from 32 parts you can attain salvation. Okay, but you know the famous theme of the Videsh Kshetra, the famous Tirthankaras. Who? Do you know the name of the Tirthankaras which are present in Videsh Kshetra? Anyone of you? Yeah, Adi, go.
Simandar Bhagwan.
Any other? Okay, so currently we have 4 Tirthankaras. How many? 4. So we have Simandar, Yugmandar, Bahu, and Subahu. 4 Tirthankar. So you have already learned about 20 Videsh Kshetra. I don't maybe not get me wrong, but may you have heard this name of 20 Videsh Kshetra Tirthankaras. So basically the 4 Tirthankaras live in Jambudvip and Jambudvip Videsh Kshetra. And where they live? So let me explain by geography. Yeah, you can ask the question.
Can you repeat the 40 Tankars again?
Yeah, sure. I will show also you where they are situated. Okay, so let's see in the map only. You can get it. So if somebody says where is the Simandara, so you can say where is Simandar Swami. So in the upper, in the 8th Nagari, which is Pushkalavati, we have Simandar Bhagavan here. Everyone can see the name as well. Simandar Bhagavan. In this area of the Videsh Kshetra, then we have Yug Mandar Swami, Yug Mandar Swami. And moving to this direction, we have Bahu Bhagavan. And here at the 25th city, we have Subahu. Okay. So they are in the 4 corner cities. Okay. Simandar Swami is in the upward. After that, we have Yukmandar in the down. And we have Subahu and Bahu. Okay. So likewise, this 4 Tirthankaras are currently present. Okay. So Simandara is quite far from us. We have Yugmandar near to us, as well as we have Bahu here near to us. But most of people are connected with Simandar Swami because they are presented. But there are other Tirthankaras, 20 Tirthankaras which are present. But currently we are understanding 4 main Tirthankaras of 20 Videsh Kshetra: Simandar, Yugmandar, Bahu, and Suba. Okay. So this is the Jambudvip. If you have any query in the Jambudvip, you can ask me. Okay. But this is the main idea of Jambudvip. I know there is many more things to learn in the Jambudvip, but I'm not going in so much detail. But you are understanding 80 to 90% of Jambudvip. I am leaving 5 to 10% of the Jambudvip. But yeah, you are going to cover 80 to 90% of Jambudvip here. So we are already covered with Jambudvip of 80 to 90%. So if you have any query regarding Jambudvip, you can ask. Okay, Advik, Arav, why you all have your video is off? Turn your video on. Advik, Arav, Ashi, everyone. Adi, Dishan, Vinci. Because from tomorrow onwards, I am making the rule. If you're not going switching on your cameras, so I will not start the class, okay, until you are on your cameras. After you on your cameras, then I will start the class. Because I know your moms and your fathers are strictly asking you to sit in the class. And if you are going to attend the class, attend with alertness, attend the class to understand something new, okay? Because if you are wasting your time by sitting here, it's not helpful. If you are sitting here, try to get the knowledge, try to understand it, okay? So I will kindly request to turn your video on, or if we have some coordinator, ask their parents to sit beside them and turn their video on, so I can speak their names. Do you understand or not? And I can connect with it. Okay. For example, Ashi, Adi, Advik, and Arav, they all are very connected to me. Okay. But okay, now we have videos of Darshi, Asi, Arav, Soham. Yeah, they all are there. Soham, what do you get from today's class? What do you understand? Anything?
Yeah, so the mountains, there are 6, and then there are 6 lakes and rivers.
Okay. And how many rivers are there?
There were 6, right?
No, rivers. Yeah, Disha.
14.
Correct. Darshi. Yeah, you can take your hand from your mouth, okay? Okay. So how many lakes are there?
There was 6, right?
Yeah, correct. Good.
Yeah.
Ashi, how many? Okay. How many areas are there from where we can attain salvation?
3.
Great. Okay. So, an Arav, the Bharat Kshetra, how many Tirthankaras present currently in Jambudvip?
32.
No, areas are 32, but how many Tirthankaras or 20 Videsh Kshetra are present? Yeah, this is the benefit of switching on cameras, okay? Because I can ask you, do you understand? This is the question. Yeah, Adi is standing 4-4. Okay, it is visible on the screen. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, Darshi, Asi, Advik, Arav, everyone, Soham, I want your cameras on. Okay, Vinci, Dishan, everyone, just turn your videos on. Otherwise, I will not start my class. I will ask all of you to turn your videos on, then I will begin my class. Okay, so let's complete this class with Jinwani Stuti. Join your hands and you can stand in your place. Javani ke gyan se सूझे लो कालो सोबाणी मस्तक नमु सदा दे तुमो. Okay, recite 9 times Navakar mantra. Bolo Jinwani Mata. No, no, you have to say Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho by raising your hands. Okay, I'm speaking again. Bolo Jinwani Mata. No,
Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho.
all of you turn your mic on. Okay, turn your mic on because I can't hear Jai Ho, Jai. Arav, turn your mic on. Yeah, Ashi. Bolo Jinwani Mata. No.
Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho.
Yeah, there is some excitement here. Okay, so let's end this class. Jai Jain, we will meet tomorrow.
Jai Jain.